The 2026 Bugatti Chiron stands as a symbol of extreme engineering, breathtaking design, and ultimate automotive luxury, capturing the imagination of car enthusiasts around the world. When you first encounter the car, it immediately communicates power and elegance in equal measure, almost like a piece of moving art sculpted with precision. The bodywork flows like liquid metal, blending sharp aerodynamic lines with smooth curves that channel airflow with surgical accuracy. The Bugatti horseshoe grille dominates the front, bold and commanding, surrounded by sleek, razor-sharp LED headlights that look like eyes staring with determination. The front fascia sits low to the ground, every vent and contour designed to reduce drag while feeding fresh air to the massive quad-turbocharged W16 engine waiting behind the driver. The paint finishes of the Chiron are unlike ordinary cars. They shimmer in sunlight, available in bespoke tones that owners can customize, each car essentially becoming a unique masterpiece. As you walk along the side profile, the flowing C-shaped curve integrated into the body is not just a stylistic flourish but a functional aerodynamic masterpiece, guiding air efficiently to the rear intakes. The massive wheels, wrapped in specially engineered Michelin tires, showcase strength and grip while housing colossal carbon ceramic brakes that can bring this 250+ miles per hour machine to a stop with unimaginable precision. The rear of the 2026 Bugatti Chiron continues this spectacle of design and performance. The full-width light bar stretches across the back, glowing like a single line of fire in the night, accentuating the car's width and dominance. The active rear wing, capable of adjusting angles for both speed and braking stability, rises dramatically at high speeds or when you slam the brakes, doubling as an air brake. Beneath it lies one of the most aggressive quad exhaust setups ever fitted to a production vehicle, spewing out a symphony of raw mechanical power that's both terrifying and intoxicating. The diffuser under the car works in harmony with the rest of the aerodynamic design, pressing the Chiron to the ground at speeds where ordinary cars would lose stability. Every inch of the rear communicates a message. This is not just a car, it is a machine built to conquer speed records while still maintaining the elegance worthy of the Bugatti name. Stepping inside the 2026 Bugatti Chiron, the interior is a temple of luxury combined with cutting-edge technology. The cabin feels like sitting inside a luxury spacecraft, everything wrapped in the finest leather, carbon fiber, and polished aluminum. The seats are sculpted to hold the driver and passenger securely, yet padded enough for long journeys, reminding you that the Chiron is not only about performance but also comfort. The steering wheel is a work of art on its own, leather-wrapped with a flat-bottom design, featuring integrated controls that give you command over driving modes and performance settings without cluttering the aesthetic. In front of the driver, the instrument cluster is entirely digital, capable of changing its appearance depending on the mode selected. In speed mode, it prioritizes the massive speedometer, displaying numbers climbing toward the incredible top speed. The central console is clean and elegant, lined with aluminum switches and a minimalistic design philosophy that avoids unnecessary distraction. Even the air conditioning vents look like pieces of fine jewelry, each one milled from a solid block of metal. The technology in the 2026 Bugatti Chiron blends seamlessly with its luxury. A premium sound system surrounds you with crystal-clear audio, though most drivers may prefer the symphony of the W16 engine. Connectivity is modern, featuring advanced navigation, real-time telemetry, and seamless smartphone integration, yet it never overwhelms the purity of the driving experience. The cabin is quiet when you want it to be, insulated to block outside noise, but at the push of the throttle, the engine roars to life and fills the atmosphere with an intoxicating note. Owners can personalize nearly every detail of the cabin, from stitching colors to materials, ensuring no two Chirons feel the same. Driving the 2026 Bugatti Chiron is an experience few can comprehend. Beneath its body lies the legendary 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, producing power figures beyond belief, reportedly surpassing 1,600 horsepower. This immense force is transmitted through a highly advanced dual-clutch transmission and distributed by an all-wheel drive system that ensures grip and stability under the most extreme conditions. Acceleration is brutal yet refined, launching the Chiron from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds, pinning you to the seat with relentless force. The top speed stretches beyond 270 miles per hour, making it not just one of the fastest cars in the world but a machine that redefines the meaning of speed. Yet, Despite this immense performance, the Chiron remains composed, controllable, and even usable in daily scenarios, thanks to Bugatti's engineering genius. The suspension adapts to driving conditions, softening for comfort or stiffening for track-level performance. The steering is sharp and communicative, making a car of this size feel surprisingly agile. Owning the 2026 Bugatti Chiron is not merely about transportation, it is about joining an exclusive world. Each car is hand-assembled with meticulous attention to detail, often taking months to complete. Buyers work closely with Bugatti's design team to customize everything from paint schemes to interior trim, resulting in cars that are as unique as fingerprints. The price tag sits in the millions, ensuring exclusivity, but what you receive is more than just a hypercar, it is a statement of success, taste, and passion for engineering excellence. For collectors and enthusiasts, the Chiron represents the pinnacle of combustion engine artistry, a final frontier before the industry shifts toward electrification. The 2026 Bugatti Chiron carries forward a legacy that began with icons like the Veyron,